Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for April the 12th through April the 16th. This is a reminder that all Kingsport City schools will be in session 5 days this week. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, muffin yogurt string cheese. Tuesday, hot dog. Wednesday, pizza. Thursday, crispy chicken on a bun. And on Friday, corn dog nuggets. Students, this is a reminder that from 7:45 until 8:30 each morning, we ask that you please pick up your breakfast from the cart between first and second grade hallways. No one should be going downstairs to the cafeteria after 7:45 in the morning. So remember, at 7:45 until 8:30, pick up your breakfast at the grab-and-go cart. We also need your help. Jaguars, this is a reminder that per our Kingsport City School Handbook, it says, please do not bring food or beverages to your child from any outside eating establishment. We have seen an increase in students bringing those items into school, especially breakfast items. So Jaguars, please finish those items before exiting your car and entering our building. As always, thank you for continuing to correctly wear your mask, washing your hands often, and practicing social distancing. Please communicate with your teacher if you're not feeling well or if someone in your home is under quarantine or is tested positive for COVID. Jefferson families, once again, please familiarize yourself with the FAQ for COVID-19 absences posted on this slide. For the safety of all of our students, Jefferson changed our pickup procedures at the beginning of this school year. Parents, if you are picking up your child in a car at the end of the day, please pick them up through either the K-2 car line or the 3-5 car line. This includes students who normally walk home, but on a particular day are being picked up by a car. Parents, please do not wait for them in the parking lot or on a side street in your car. Remember, this policy change is for the safety of all of our Jefferson students. Thank you for your help in this matter. TNReady assessments will be administered beginning Wednesday, April the 21st through April the 30th in grades 3 through 5. Parents, please schedule appointments in which there might be flexibility to ensure students are present and on time for their assessments during this block of testing. Please do not hesitate to reach out to the office or your child's teacher if you have questions about specific times. Stomp, chomp, and big roars. Here come those dinosaurs. Our Dinomite Scholastic Book Fair is in full swing. This is the final week to make your purchases, Jaguars. You will have the opportunity to participate during your Related Arts library time. There are so many books to choose from for every kind of kid. Adventure, sci-fi, graphic novels, and even laugh-out-loud stories. So we just want to give a big shout out to Mrs. Sin and thank her for providing this wonderful opportunity. So happy shopping this week, Jaguars, and I hope you find some pretty cool stuff. Hey, Jaguar families, this Thursday, you have the opportunity to not cook and come out and support Jefferson Elementary. It is Jefferson Spirit Night at Santa Fe on Thursday, April the 15th from 4 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. All sales from dining in and to-go orders will be included in Jefferson's percentage. So come on out to 1213 East On Drive and support our Jaguars and eat some delicious food. Hope to see you on Thursday. Need a clean car? Come on out to Ultimate Shine Car Wash from now until June 30th. Leave with a clean car and Jefferson will receive 30% of your visit. You can use the code as many times as you would like until June 30th. The instructions have been posted on Class Dojo and are also on this slide. And now it's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on April the 13th in 4th grade is Addison J. On April the 15th in 5th grade is Shelby E. And in 2nd grade, Isaac L. And Mr. Jimmy, our custodian. And on April the 17th in 5th grade celebrating a birthday is Brandon V. And on April the 18th in 3rd grade is Lucy Kate G. Happy birthday, dear Jaguars. Happy birthday to you. And now it's time to celebrate our leaders of the week. In kindergarten, Abigail C., Logan P., Ashlyn W., and Jonah S. In first grade, Coy B., Cole I., and Jack P. In second grade, Jake I., Isaac L., Andy M., and Mason S. In third grade, Aubrey B., Isaiah M., and Kaylee W. In fourth grade, Amber B., Eden L., Arabella P., and Rylan R. And in fifth grade, Bryson S., Emma W., and J.W. Thank you for taking the lead, Jaguars. You make us Jaguar proud. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Today I'd like to share with you a simple quote, and it goes like this. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. So Jaguars, how will you choose to improve our world this week? No need to wait. Let's get started. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.